Welcome to another session with my grammar pages. Here I am Sandhya. Today I have brought few more consonant sounds like earlier. Today I am going to deal with this sound. This is cha. It is pronounced as cha. Let me tell you how to use your mouth, your jaw, your tongue, your lips, how they'll have contact with each other. Now let me tell you, in order to produce the sound cha, take 3/4 of your tongue and press it to the roof of your mouth, behind the gums behind your front teeth, and push the air in such a way that it gives a wide hissing sound. Ch, ch. Let the tongue touch your roof and release the tongue down. Just release the tongue down and push the air outside in such a way it gives out a hissing sound. Ch, ch, ch. You practice. Tongue touches up. Ch, ch. Now, let us have a look at the words. Chore, chore, chore. Charm, charm, charm. Challenge, challenge, challenge. It is chapter, chapter, chapter. Chisel, chisel, chisel. Witch, 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 witch. Now have a look at the sentence here. He chose the wrong person for the chair. He chose the wrong person for the chair. Coming to the next sound. In phonetics, we call this as ja. Ja. Here it is cha and here it is ja. These two sounds are similar to each other almost. They both are almost the same, but there is a slight difference between cha and ja. Let me tell you how. Earlier, how did we pronounce? Just recollect. The tongue, 3/4 of your tongue will get pressed to the roof of your mouth, and after that you release the tongue and push the air to produce a hissing sound. But here you're not producing a hissing sound, but your vocal cord will vibrate very slightly when you're pushing the air out. J. You observe the vibration at the vocal cord. So j, 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 j. You will find a slight vibration near the vocal cord. That is the only difference between cha and ja. Let us have a look at the words. It is jail, jail. Giant, giant. It is giant. It is not giant, it is giant, giant, giant. Jovial, jovial. Gel, gel. Jade, jade, jade. Ginning, ginning, ginning. Now let us have a look at the sentence. A gentle judge judges justly. A gentle judge judges justly. A gentle judge judges justly.